Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into creating a null-safety beta branch, 591, in a GitHub repository using a Flutter example, along with detailed explanations and code samples. This tutorial will cover 1. Understanding null-safety *, a brief overview of what null-safety is and why it's important. 2. Project setup, if you don't have one, creating a simple Flutter project as a starting point. 3. Creating the 591 null-safety beta branch *, how to create a new branch in your repository. 4. Enabling null-safety * steps to migrate your Flutter project to null-safety. 5. Implementing null-safety in your code *, examples of how to modify your code to adhere to null-safety rules. 6. Testing * strategies for testing your null-safe code. 7. Committing changes * making commits to your beta branch. 8. Creating pull requests * creating a pull request to merge your changes into the main branch, optional. 9. Example Flutter application * an example Flutter app with null-safety implemented. 10. Dealing with third-party packages. 11. Useful tips. 1. Understanding null-safety. Null-safety is a feature of programming languages that helps developers avoid null pointer exceptions. A null pointer exception occurs when your code attempts to access a property or method of an object that is currently null. This usually crashes the program, and it's a very common source of bugs. Why null safety is important *. Reduced errors * null safety reduces the likelihood of null pointer exceptions at runtime. Improved code quality * it forces you to think about nullability explicitly, leading to more robust code. Enhanced maintainability * the code becomes easier to understand and maintain because the nullability of variables is explicitly defined. Compiler assistance * the compiler helps you catch potential null-related errors during development, rather than at runtime. Performance benefits * in some cases, null safety can improve performance because the runtime doesn't have to check for null values as often. 2. Project setup, if you don't have one. If you already have a Flutter project, skip this step. Otherwise, create a new Flutter project. This creates a new Flutter project named my_null_safe_app. 3. Creating the 591 null-safety beta branch. This is where we create the dedicated branch for our null-safety work. 1. Make sure your local repo is up to date *. 2. Create and switch to the branch *. This command does two things. Git checkout b, creates a new branch and switches to it. 591 null-safety beta, the name of the new branch. You can choose a different name if you prefer, but this one is descriptive. Now, all changes you make will be on this branch, isolated from your main development branch. 3. Push the branch to origin. 4. Enabling null safety. Flutter uses Dart as its programming language. Dart 2.12 introduced null safety. To enable null safety, you need to ensure you are running a Dart version of 2.12 or later. 1. Check your Dart version *. Look for the Dart SDK version in the output. If it's less than 2.12, you'll need to update your Flutter SDK. If necessary. 2. Enable null safety in your project, if necessary. Flutter projects created before null safety was the default may require an extra step. Look for a file called pubspec.yaml in the root of your project. Add or modify the environment SDK definition like so. 3. Run the migration tool, if necessary. Flutter provides a migration tool to help you migrate your project to null safety. Run this command in your project's root directory. This tool analyzes your code and suggests changes to make it null-safe. It creates a migration.summary file summarizing the changes and suggests ways to apply them. Follow the tool's instructions carefully. The migrate tool allows you to preview changes and apply changes incrementally. After running Dart migrate, the tool will provide you a link to a local web page. Navigate to that link to begin the migration process. 5. Implementing null-safety in your code. Here's how you'll modify your code to take advantage of null-safety. Non-nullable variables * by default, variables are now non-nullable. This means they must be initialized and can never hold a null value. Nullable variables * to allow a variable to be null, use the nullable type suffix. Null checks * you can use the operator, null-aware operator, to safely access properties or methods of nullable objects. Null assertion operator, use the null assertion operator, to tell the compiler that you are certain that a nullable variable is not null at a specific point in your code. Use this sparingly and only when you are absolutely sure, as it can lead to runtime errors if you're wrong. Late variables * the late keyword tells Dart that variable will be initialized before it is used. If you fail to initialize the variable, you will get an error. 6. Testing. Testing is crucial to ensure your null-safety migration is successful. Unit tests * write unit tests to verify that your code handles null and non-null values correctly. Integration tests * test how different parts of your application interact with each other, especially when dealing with nullable values. Run your app thoroughly * manually test your app, paying attention to areas where you previously encountered null pointer exceptions. Try entering invalid data or leaving fields blank to trigger potential null-related issues. 7. Committing changes. As you make changes to your code, commit them frequently with descriptive commit messages. 8. Creating pull requests, optional. When you're satisfied with your changes, create a pull request from your 591 null-safety beta branch to your main, or master, branch. This allows others to review your code before it's merged into the main code base. Follow the guidelines of the repository, and make sure all tests are passed. 9. Example Flutter application. Let's create a simple Flutter app to demonstrate null safety. Explanation of the example **** string _name *** declares a nullable string variable _name. It can hold a string value or null. *_name equals null. Name is null. Name $_name dot to uppercase ***. This line demonstrates null checking and null assertion. *_name equals null. Name is null. Checks if _name is null. If it is, it displays name is null. Name $_name dot to uppercase ***. If _name is not null, it accesses its to uppercase method. The null assertion operator is used to tell the compiler that we're sure _name is not null at this point. If _name were actually null, this would throw an error. How to run this example ***. 1. Save the code as main.dart in the lib directory of your Flutter project. 2. Run Flutter run. You'll see a simple app with a counter, a nullable name, and buttons to set and clear the name. 10. Dealing with third-party packages. When migrating to null safety, you need to consider your dependencies, third-party packages. Check for null safety support before migrating. Check if the packages you're using have been updated to support null safety. Look for badges in the package's readme.md file or check their pub.dev page. *Update packages. * Update your packages to the latest versions that support null-safety. * Migrate dependencies. If necessary, if a package hasn't been migrated yet, you have a few options. * Find an alternative. * Look for a similar package that supports null-safety. * Contribute to the package. * If possible, contribute to the package by adding null-safety support. * Use a pre-release version. * Some packages might have pre-release versions with null-safety support. Use them at your own risk, as they might contain bugs. * Fork the package. * As a last resort, you can fork the package, migrate it to null-safety yourself, and use your forked version. However, this requires extra maintenance. Constraints. You can add constraints in the pubspec.yaml file to ensure you are using compatible versions. Example 11. Useful tips. Start small. Migrate your project to null-safety incrementally. Start with smaller, less critical parts of your code. Use the migration tool. The Dart migrate tool is your friend. Use it to help you identify areas that need attention. Read documentation. Refer to the official Dart and Flutter documentation on null-safety for detailed information. Run static analysis. Use Flutter Analyze to find potential problems in your code. Configure your analysis options in analysis_options.yaml. Be explicit. When in doubt, be explicit about nullability. It's better to be clear about whether a variable can be null than to rely on implicit behavior. Use assertions for debugging. You can use assert, my variable, equals null, to check if a variable is null during development. This will throw an error if the condition is false. Consider required. For constructor parameters and named arguments, use the required keyword to enforce that they are not null. Use conditional property access. If you have a chain of nullable objects, use the operator to avoid null pointer exceptions. By following these steps and paying attention to the details, you can successfully migrate your Flutter project to null-safety, improve its quality, and reduce the risk of runtime errors. Remember to test thoroughly and commit your changes frequently.